All right, let's look at this next letter then, which is the F. And what do we want to do with this? Well, you'll notice that when you do break apart, you actually get the button Create Paintbrush up here. And then you can get the menu, and we can do that. I think if we do Pattern Brush, yeah, Pattern Brush might be better actually. At the corners, let's see what the options are. Center, no. None of them are really great. So we'll just do none. Yeah, we'll just have no corners because it's not going to fit otherwise if we do it the other way around. So then if we go to our paintbrush tool and we select that, which is already selected, should be able to just get a bunch of them, right? Do about there. All right, so there is our F. And what I wanted to do is, remember in the last episode we did the bone tool. Okay, so we've got that selection. We'll just basically, as long as you've got it selected, and this is counting as a drawing object, that's fine. Then we can move and do the bone tool things. So let's go in and let's create, we'll do like a few points. Okay, so in that case, we need to do, we can do, should be able to do convert line to fill. Let's see what that is. I think we do expand to fill. Let me do it then, I think. It does, but I don't want it like that. All right, so let's do like just, I don't know, like go, doesn't have to be exact actually. We'll do it there. We'll have one here. We'll connect the whole lot up. Actually, no, we don't need to connect the whole lot up. It's not actually necessary to connect them all up. I'm always like used to doing that. Um, all right, so there we have our um, armature points, right? And this is just going to be like one armature. So we'll be able to see like if we can do anything interesting with the armature. Let's just do like some like a, this is almost like the twist layer, I guess, right? So we could move some of these armatures. We should be able to get some cool effects with this, right? Kind of, right? I think, yeah, you see, you can do so, like, yeah, you can get some more interesting stuff like that. Well, that looks crazy. Maybe a little bit too much. All right, do another pose here. All right, so say you just have a random animation like that. Now there is actually a way, I think, if it overlaps the stage. There's another button here. So yeah, you see, I did match contents, and it actually changed the stage size. So that's kind of interesting. There's a bunch of different ways to do that, right? Um, we'll look into that next time. You can see it all fits on the stage perfectly now. It's kind of an interesting effect. Now, if you do want to, the thing is, like, you can't do this stuff, right? You can't do this, right? So that is a problem. But because we only have one armature here, and from what I understand, if you have multiple armatures, you need to convert them to separately to symbols, and then you'll need to group the symbols together and have another symbol, right? But because I did it in such a way that we only have one armature here, we can convert all these to symbols, right? So this could be our F let's do, we'll do a simple scaling I just want to see that it actually works properly. All right, so we should have in the library now, you see we've got our F scale, right? So now what we should be able to do is we should have taken all that information, because we're still on the root level, right? In some ones it will take you directly in there, but oh yeah, I think I've got scale spanning on, do I? Yeah. It's not a terrible idea to do that. I haven't quite worked out if I like doing it that way, but we'll see. And then what we can do is just do a keyframe right at the beginning. And we'll put an instance of our clip, F scale in here. Okay, so that should be working perfectly, hopefully. Basically, yeah. And then from here, of course, we can do all our movie clip stuff, I believe. So that's the way you get around not being able to do anything in the inverse kinematics object. So for example, if we wanted to do, whatever it is, and we wanted to go all the way down here, we'll just do a classic. Yeah, perfect, right? Let's do a more pleasant color. I do like my lighter colors from you. Let's see. Hmm. Yeah, because I've just started using this tool, I can tell there's going to be some really interesting things that you can do though with this. Because you're actually creating something that looks quite complicated, even though it's obviously very basic. But yeah, that will be the F animation for now. So thanks for watching.